Hey YouTube, this is Alicia, and this is the part 2 of my applying embellishments to the robe. So I have already put these two on. I wanted to do it on camera, it just didn't turn out that way, but yeah. So we have the appliques on here. So these appliques are going to actually go overnight and thing. And here is the roses. They turned out pretty well. So they are going to infuse these out. Like, this is the glue. Let me remind you of the glue. This is the glue that's going to make it permanent and stuff, and so you can wash it in the washer and it don't come off at all. So yeah, I am looking forward to that. So yeah, so yeah, that's that. Got them lined up. So yeah, that is all. Until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.